everyone, and this is another video of engineering mechanics MCQ series of Unit 2nd. And here we just do 21 to 15 till 50 MCQs. So let us start. The resultant of two perpendicular forces P and Q. So we all are know that whenever we want to find the resultant of anything, we just put into the root under and a square. Okay, so that is the resultant. Option number A. 22 question, that is the angle theta of resultant R with force P is given by. So we all know that tan theta is equal to basically Q upon P. So question number 23, resolution of a force means, what is the resolution of force? So that is the replacing a force by components. So when we just replace the force by, suppose that is a mass, a body, and there has a lots of force acting along the body, something like that. So when we just want to resolve that all force, so uh, that all force. So firstly, we are just doing replace the force by its components. So what is the vertical components and what is the horizontal components? So that is the right answer. Okay. Question number 24. The parallelogram law is used to find the resultant of two forces. Okay. 25. Triangle law of forces is applicable when. So there is three forces act at a point. Then we are use the triangle law. Polygon law of forces used when more than two forces act, then we use polygon law. 27. The moment of a couple is inside of magnitude of force, so that is the reference point. Question 28. A couple produce. So what a couple produce? Only rotation only. 29. The algebraic sum of moment about any point in equilibrium, so that is 0. Question number 30. A force system in equilibrium when summation of all forces that is equal to 0. And always remember moment in equilibrium, so that is also moment, also at here the summation of all the forces is equal to 0. Okay, moment also is equal to 0 and force is also equal to 0. Okay, so moment and force both are when 0, so that is the right answer. Okay, the unit of couple moment, that is the Newton meter. And Varignon's theorem state. So what is the Varignon's theorem state? That is the moment of resultant tends equals to the sum of moments of resultant. That means that we want to just find the resultant moment, that is equal to the sum of moment, yani, that is f of m. Okay, summation of m. So single force can be replaced by all of them, that is the two components, three components, many components. So that is the all of this. In 3D equilibrium, the number of equilibrium equation are. So in 3D, the number of equation is 6. In 2D, the number of equations are 3. Okay. The support reaction at a roller supposed at along surface normal. Okay. 37. The hinge support provide reaction in two direction. 38. Question, that is the fixed support provide, so three direction. Concurrent force system has force passing through one point. Question 40. A parallel force system has a force that parallel to each other. Okay. 41. The SI unit of moment arms is, that is meter. So 42. Resultant parallel forces is found using so moment of equation. 43. Free body diagram includes, so all the external forces are included in the free body diagram. 44. The Lami's theorem is applicable when, so the three concurrent forces are act when, then we are use the Lami's theorem. Okay. Question number 45. The angle between resultant and one force depend on magnitude and direction. 46. The resultant of equal parallel forces opposite direction is a couple. 47. The coplanar force lies in the same direction. 48. Non-coplanar force lies in different direction, different place. 49. A rigid body assumes, that is the no deformation. 15. Question, that is the principle of transmissibility state that the force effect is unchanged when move along. So when move along the line of action, so that is the overall 15 question. So keep watching and thanks for watching this video.